passes out. Ninjutsu jumps body led. Moving a body outside. Ayanako. Nice and easy in the middle. By the rail comes Hudson Hawk. And about 7 wide comes Formidable Ella. Pandemonium now moving up to take 4. Then followed over by Tucker Pride. Legacy is running by the rail. Then comes Ninjutsu, Michaela's Music, and Sweet Talk in that order. As they leave the straight, Formidable Ella takes the lead by Avalalenka. Nice and easy, drives back in second. Moving a party outside to take third is Ayanako. And in fourth now comes center number 7, Pandemonium. Legacy is racing in fifth. Tucker Pride is racing in sixth. Then followed over by Pandemonium. Or rather Hudson Hawk moving a party outside. Sweet Talk, Michaela's Music, and Ninjutsu. Out of the fourth turn, Formidable Ella is still in front by Avalalenka and Hapa. Then here comes Ayanako. Now coming closer on the outside second. Nice and easy remains in third. As they come down at the last 200. Formidable Ella. Ayanako is on the outside. This time 2 and 3 is fighting it out for the lead. Formidable Ella is by the rail. Ayanako is on the outside. Last 75 meters. Ayanako takes the lead. And finally, Ayanako. Formidable Ella. Sweet Talk. Nice and easy.
So, papasok sa ating pentapekta yung number 7 na si Pandemonium. It will be 9, 3, 4, 8, 7 unofficial placings po natin for race number 2. Ang preba natin, 13, 24.30, 25.30, 27.30, total time 1:30.6 para sa ating race number 2. That's Jackie A.M. Tansyoko. On board Ayanako. Going back to the scales to confirm yung kanyang handicap weight na 54. A.N. Tansyoko. By the way, yung Earl Ethan OTB, yung mga racing fans dyan, pwede na raw po kayong pumunta. Sabi niya, Mrs. Carolina Ontiveros, okay na raw yung kanilang machine, pwede na kayong pumunta sa Earl Ethan OTB.